Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to set up departments in Sage Payroll. With departments, you may organize employees regardless of the pay group they are linked to. For example, departments could be used for different locations or business units. To set up departments, click Maintenance, then select Departments. There is no default department when you sign up for Sage Payroll. To begin adding departments, click Add New Department. For each new department, you only need to enter a name. Then click Save. Let's repeat these steps to add a second department. Once departments are added, they can be assigned to employees. Select Employees from the left-hand side menu. We open one of our employees, then we select Employment. In the Department field, we can now select one of the newly created departments. Finally, click Save. Congratulations! You now know how to set up departments in Sage Payroll.